We got a cracking open right here. This is 2019 Hot Wheels Team Transport Case E on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Okie doke. So if you like watching our videos and you want to subscribe to our channel, which is a really good thing, all you got to do is hit the bell and get notifications when we upload new videos at the time we upload them. So you in the know and you don't look dumb. All right, here we go, Val.
Alright, so Mix E is a pretty good set. Of course, it does have a duplicate.
I don't think I saw this one yet, so
this is the duplicate. JDM Legends.
Sakura Sprinter.
Yeah, and I believe that one is in the background. Right here.
Wait, that's 2019?
Yep.
What is the car in that one?
Same car.
Same car.
Yeah, just the different releases.
Different trailer.
You look at the back.
Is the trailer different? No. Yes, it is. No, it's the same. Okay.
JDM Legends. So we put that one on the side because I'm not opening that one. That one we already have open. This is also a duplicate. Oh no, this is not. This is the Skyline R34. This is a new transporter though.
Arrow Leaf.
Yeah. Let's get a little close up.
Nismo.
Too close.
So, what does Nismo mean?
I know it's a sporting car sport, like parts.
Because you got, what is the Toyota's one?
This is Toyota. No, this is Nissan.
I was like, what? Say Nissan right there, bro.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, you said that with such conviction, too. What you mean? This isn't Toyota. I was just like, what?
I was thinking the other one.
So, Nissan has Nismo. And what is the Toyota one?
TRD.
Yeah, TRD.
Yeah.
Although Turd and Nismo, I don't know.
Okay, the next one is a VW, but it has a Porsche on it. I like this Porsche, this 356. So, you know what?
Oh, actually, there is a VW. I thought you screwed up again.
It's the.
This one has a Camaro on it. Oh no, my Porsche. Yeah, it does. Well, actually, that T1 Transport is nice.
Yeah, so I want to get this one open. This is the only new one in this case. Oh no, I'm sorry. Even the R34. So this is a duplicate. Same.
So the only thing, wow, there's only one Skyline, bro.
No, this is the second case with the Skyline.
No, not that one, the auto one.
Oh, I'm thinking the
Nismo.
Yeah, the R34.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the second. This is the first time this one is, but it's the second one for the JDM.
I actually knew what it was, I forgot. Hey, anybody out there that know what Nismo means? Please let us know, because I forgot, and I'm too lazy to Google it.
Okay, so let's get this open.
All right, let's bust it open. I know Toyota is Toyota Racing Development, TRD.
TRD.
What does Nismo mean? Nissan
Motors.
Nissan
Motors.
Nissan, I said Motors. Oh, no.
Okay, so I'm going to keep the packaging as good as I can, or at least the card art. So we'll probably skip this part because I don't think anybody wants to see me cutting it open. Let's go over the Nissan first because I want to see that Porsche.
Yeah.
I just cut out the bottoms so that I can keep the card art. And we're going to do a video later with the card art and show you what we do with this after.
What you can make of it.
Yeah, well, what I do with them. What I'm doing with them. Because this is the first time I found a display case that can fit them. So, okay.
And we're not going to tell you where it is until we buy plenty first. Shut your face, don't tell everybody yet. I got to grab some.
Pretty sure a lot of people know where it is. Okay, let's take a look at this transporter. So let's put that bed on good. So this is a different transporter than in previous team transports. What is this? The Aero Lift. I wonder if this is a licensed model or not. I don't know. Let's get that off there. because this thing has full tilt and retrieval. So look at that. You have the car on it, you can roll right off.
Nice.
Except probably the real Skyline would kind of do exactly what this one is doing, and rip off that front fascia as you're going down.
Of course, bro.
Because I would imagine that this one is lowered a lot. That
It'll have some flex.
Yeah. Let's put that transporter in the back.
And the guy gonna come like, you freaking what you did, bro. And they're gonna get beef, and then somebody gonna come by when they scrapping, steal the car, and then guy gonna be more mad.
Okay, so this is a light colored car, so it's gonna look a little darker the screen sometimes. So let's look at this R34. Now I never got the super treasure hunt from the B case, 2019 B case. We don't have a premium. No, I think we do have a premium to compare it to. I have to look for it. It's probably in one of the sets, but R34, here it is.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad. I like the wheels, although I know
it goes good because
wheels go good, but
because if you can chrome them on silver, it would still look okay, but you don't want it to conflict that.
Yeah, true. Like this would have been cool if it was like a red lip or.
Don't we sound like a couple of biatches from Fashion Police? But we are Hot Wheels Custom Police.
Hot Wheels PD.
Yes.
they make a Hot Wheels does make a car like that.
It doesn't go right. I don't know what they're thinking, but they need a slap.
We should call the channel Hot Wheels Fashion.
This is the gross color.
All right, so next on, before we get kicked off of YouTube,
okay,
we could probably do some pretty good impressions, but
what are you saying?
we might get in trouble. I know watch a lot of other YouTube channels, not Hot Wheels related, but they're getting
busted.
Not busted, but they're getting demonetized for stuff they don't understand why they're getting demonetized for. So,
see, I knew that thing wasn't long enough to handle. I kind of wonder because you got to figure the T1 and the Porsche, bruh. I mean, if that Porsche is a little bit ass heavy, that T1 gonna pull
the Porsche
really.
Is because it's rear engine.
Yeah, rear engine mounted, right? So
yeah, this.
But of course.
Is
the T1 motor mounted in the back too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a rear.
But still, I mean, that much weight in the back, I mean, wouldn't that tip or pull a wheelie?
If you hit the gas pedal too hard.
So what are you going to do? It's 20 miles an hour?
You got to do a slow acceleration.
How long will it take my car to get over here? 6 days?
It's going to look like this. But you know what? They could probably just take a drag truck, since it's a longer wheelbase.
Yeah, see, look that. Yeah, see that drag truck is actually bigger. It looks like, or maybe
it's a chop top.
Yeah,
but see how the wheels?
Yeah,
they're bigger, but they're also a little bit more canted rearward, so a little more stability. Is this the unspun? Yeah, this is.
Yeah. Because I'm looking at that going, bro, that's a pretty chunk sticking out.
Maybe it'd probably be better if they transport it this way.
Yeah.
And you have the weight dispersed.
That would be probably better. How much you like bet?
You like
that if that's actually... How would you like bet? I bet, guys, actually, if that's an actual real transport, the first couple guys had problems.
Oh yeah. Probably.
Wait a second, it's not working for some reason.
Why did I just trash my Porsche?
The guy gonna come back. What the hell happened to my Porsche? Mr. Silva, sorry, I don't know, the thing went pull wheelie and your car fell down.
So is this Zamak or is this painted silver? I think it's painted silver.
It's painted silver, yeah.
Oh, that would have been nice if it was a Zamak. But I think Zamak is Walmart exclusive. So. Yeah, so we probably couldn't do a Zamak. So let's get that. So I know in my other one I had a hard time moving this transporter back. Oh.
And this one too.
There we go. I almost broke it, I think, to get it off. Yeah, so let's get that car on there. Oh, it wants off. Doesn't want to
It doesn't want to stay on.
Oh, well, that's a good lead into the car then. The 356, one of my favorite Porsches. Now, I don't collect Porsches. I keep saying that.
Yeah, before I got it, don't collect Porsches. You got a lot.
But the 356A is the one that I do like. And I do have the mainline ones. I think we should dig those out because they're still in blister packs. The individual pack. Maybe we can crack them open.
That sounds good.
In the front? Let's zoom in on that. What is that?
It says Momo.
No,
Momo.
Is that to hold the hood down?
What?
Or the trunk down?
The trunk locks.
Yeah, is that what that is?
Looks like it.
Because this is the trunk, so this is the hood.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that looks kind of weird. It almost looks like it's got like snot or something coming out of his nose here, right?
Like a little kid.
Yeah. Sticking their head out in the wind and they cannot control the drool.
So like a big Saint Bernard.
Yeah. Oh boy, there's so much analogies that we could do with that.
Yes, and we're not because
we're talking Hot Wheels.
We are talking Hot Wheels, and don't forget to like and share the video with every person on your block, including the next block over. Okay, we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Also, for our new viewers, mucho mahalos. That's thank you in Hawaiian. Anyway, thanks for checking out our videos. And don't forget to check the end screens where you see links to our previous videos and a video YouTube thinks you'll like and one that we think you should watch. Alright, so put some glue on your collar, stay there. We get more stuff coming. Ouch.